subscribe, and share. Larson Electronics has one of the largest selections of UV sanitation cleaning equipment in the world. With our extensive UV disinfection devices, businesses can implement end-to-end UV sanitation at their workplace, building, or site. Our UV solutions are quick with no downtime, non-abrasive, and safe. We offer HVAC lights for air sanitation, 360-degree UV sanitation carts and handheld units for surface contaminants, UVC cabinets for equipment sterilization, sneeze guards, personal protective equipment, and more. Please like, subscribe, and share. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.